Right, assalamualaikum everyone, and Lunar Classic is inching closer and closer to do something. There's a pop coming in on the 4-hour time frame. If I show you here, if you start with this wick here, you can see that it's actually climbing just a little bit here, and you have this upper resistance as well that is coming down. So yeah, time is ticking, and it's ticking for good right now. And it's one break is about to happen, right? This break is coming in. It's coming in by 13th of January. So 3 more days, 3 more days, and then you have a move coming in for Lunar Classic. Now, of course, if you start to break above here, there could be some fake out happening, and then you go down as well. That could actually be one more thing that can happen. And we can still break to the downside and continue even lower down to 6,891. So what do you guys think that is going to happen? I think that's all for the video. There's nothing more. I've talked about everything in detail before. Now the RSI does have a bullish divergence though. You see, the RSI is actually climbing up. It does seem like people are buying the coin, but still, Bitcoin is what's really looking bad to me. And if Bitcoin starts to drop, I don't really think that Lunar Classic is going to have too much of a time. But if we just go with the chart reading here, well, there's some chances out there that you may see Lunar Classic pumping because it's in a very good buying spot previously, historically, if you check it out. And you're looking for that little bit of a move sideways, move to the upside. But the patterns here are going to squeeze. So if you squeeze and start to pop, and I kind of really think we may actually look at a pump. I don't know. Something really tells me that Bitcoin is going to keep on moving sideways for a time, and when Bitcoin is moving sideways, we may actually see Lunar Classic all of a sudden, popping up, maybe move up to 14,000 or something like that. I kind of feel that way because it's just way too down right now. Number one, we're talking about a move down like this, so this is 58%. All right, 58%. So I don't know. Time will tell. Let's see. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.